In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up web forms in Freshsales. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, effective form that captures the right information and routes it into your CRM without duplicates. First, log in as an admin. Only admins, or users with the right permissions, can create web forms in Freshsales, so make sure your profile has access before you begin. Once you're in, head to Admin Settings, then open the Leads, Contacts, and Accounts section and choose Web Forms. This is the central place where all your forms live and where you'll manage new ones. Click Add Web Form to start a new form. Give it a clear, descriptive name so your team can recognize its purpose later, like Website Contact Form or Event Sign-up. Next, decide whether this form should create leads or contacts, and if you'd like it to also create deals automatically. Leads are typically new prospects, while contacts are people you already have a relationship with. Pick the one that best matches your workflow. If your process starts with a deal right away, enabling deals here can save time. Now add and configure the fields you want visitors to fill out, such as name, email, and phone. Be sure to include email or another unique identifier to help Freshsales prevent duplicates. Mark the fields that are essential as required, keep the form short to reduce drop-offs, and map each field to the correct CRM field so the data lands in the right place. You can use placeholders or helper text to guide visitors and, if needed, include a consent checkbox to align with your compliance requirements. You can optionally customize the look and feel. Update the form title and description so visitors understand what they're signing up for. Adjust the button text to make the action clear and match the colors to your brand. Keep contrast accessible and wording friendly and direct. Decide what should happen after someone submits the form. You can show a confirmation message or redirect them to a specific URL. A short, appreciative message works well when you want to reassure visitors instantly, while a redirect is great for sending people to a thank you page, a resource, or the next step in your process. If you choose a redirect, double-check the URL and make sure it's live. When everything looks good, save the form. That's it. You've set up a Freshsales web form that captures clean data and supports your sales process from the start.